Festivals of Sri Lanka, Sinhala and Tamil New Year, April. Traditional New Year celebrations with rituals, games, and feasting. Vesak, May. Festival marking the birth, enlightenment, and passing of Lord Buddha. Pozan, June. Commemorates the arrival of Buddhism in Sri Lanka. Asala Parahara, July, August. Grand procession in Kandy with decorated elephants and cultural performances. Vel Festival, July, August. Hindu festival dedicated to Lord Murugan. Nikini Poya, August. Buddhist full moon observance with religious activities. Navaratri, September, October. 9-night Hindu festival dedicated to Goddess Durga. Deepavali, October, November. Hindu festival of lights, known as Diwali. Kathina, October, November. Buddhist ceremony of offering robes to monks. Christmas, December. Celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ.